Select all axes, then start origin return. When it's done, then go vertical. Insert the USB drive. Switch to machining. Open file, press refresh, and then select the drawing. Press simulation and then click background simulation. To change the parameters, press parameter setting. After done with the adjustments, press background simulation again, and then press cutting simulation. Now, we are going to start wire threading. Make sure the copper wire presses on two of the wire threading switches. Move the machine head to an appropriate position for threading. Press manual wire threading, then press water or air. Turn off the green button when the threading process is done. Move the machine head to the cutting position. Set Z limit. The distance between the upper nozzle and the workpiece is 0.3 mm. Make sure the water pressure of both sides are in the range of 13 to 15 kilograms. If not, please adjust the nozzles. Close the door and make sure the door is secured. Press soaking. Press wire, water, EDM, and then cycle start. As you can see, the highlighted S11 code represents the cutting parameter number 11. Remove the punch with copper rod. These are the things that need to be aware of during machining. First, let's discuss about water. The water pressure of both sides have to be equal to each other and need to be in the range of 13 to 15 kilograms. If not, adjust the height of the Z-axis or adjust the nozzles on both sides. If the pressure of the filter from the water tank is larger than 2.5 kilograms, please change the filter. Move to the wire part. Make sure the age of the wire is within 6 months after being produced. This is very important because the quality of the wire affects the tolerance of the product. Now, move to EDM section. Check the conductive blocks on both upper and lower machine head. Please replace a new one if it's over damaged, because the conductive block affects the stability of the electric discharge. During machining, make sure the gap voltage is around 50 volts and the water resistivity is around 50 to 100 kilo ohms.